Hi guys, I'm going to kind of design a logo using ChatGPT, and I'm going to give it a simple like script design a logo for Vema. Vema is a new website that I'm trying to come up with. Okay, and because I don't really have the right descriptions of how I want this logo to be, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell it to design a logo for Vema. Then I'm going to tell it to use the concept in the attached image. I can even say in attached logo. In other words, I want to derive my logo um, from someone else's logo. Okay, so what I do, I usually go to Dribble. Okay, I go to Dribble and I kind of get some ideas of logos from this website. You can use any ideas from any website, of course, or an existing logo. Then you save that image on your desktop, then you can attach it. So what I usually do is I go to Dribble. You can search a lot of logos here. You can even search cat logos or whatever your organizational company deals in. So you kind of get a logo, then you save it. So when you save it on your desktop, okay, you kind of come in ChatGPT, then you're going to attach it from here. So in other words, ChatGPT is going to design me a new logo for Waivema using the concept that I'm going to attach. So I'm going to attach a logo here. I may not really kind of display it public because I may not really have rights to kind of do that. But just know like I'm generating a logo from someone's ace concept, okay? Yeah. So so what I'm going to do is ChatGPT is going to actually is a friend. It's not like I'm stealing the logo. No, it's kind of a friend. But for kind of corporate, I may not really display it publicly. But what you're going to see is a final product of ChatGPT kind of designing my logo from an existing idea. So let me kind of click on send, and ChatGPT is going to kind of come up with something. Okay. Okay. So here we go. All right, almost done. All right, so I end up having a logo like this. It looks cool. Okay, it looks cool. I tried to actually mimic the fonts, which was in the original logo. So what I'm going to do is I can try to save this. I've saved it somewhere. So this is the logo which ChatGPT has given me. So I'm going to maybe put this in Fireworks, then I can remove off this timeline, something like that. So let me try to get this, and I can put it in maybe I can put it maybe in ChatGPT, okay? Sorry, in Fireworks. I use a Fireworks, but you can use Photoshop or Illustrator, something like that. So this way I start from when I'm doing some logos like this. I just love the logo actually. I just love the fonts it's used on all that stuff. So my part may be maybe to cut off some stuff what I don't want, and that is it. Okay. So this is how you can actually design a logo using ChatGPT. If you don't know how to describe all this, you know, you can always attach a logo. You can always attach an image, then you extrude, then you tell it to kind of use that concept to come up with your logo. Okay. If you're interested in how to use ChatGPT in your daily life, you want to know how to use ChatGPT in graphics, designing, programming, etc. Okay, everyday life, you have to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I believe I'll be releasing almost a video every day or every week concerning how to use ChatGPT. Okay. So when I have a logo like this, I may kind of send it to a client as it is, or I can have a person who does graphics to kind of give me a transparent version of this because I need to change the color. Let me try to see if ChatGPT can change the background color. Change background color to white. You know, let me see what happens. Okay. Okay, so it's going to, you can, I've updated the, if I'm a logo with a white background, you can download the new version below. Let me know if you need any further. So it has given me actually new version. So let me just click here. Okay, I think it's downloaded. Okay, can't wait to see how it looks. Okay, okay. All right, here it is. Let me check out. Hope it hasn't, all right, kind of. Okay, let me try out to see. Let me just do file, open. Downloads, I think they are here. Okay, white. I don't think actually anything has changed. Okay, maybe I'm going to use maybe big color remove or something. All right. So it seems actually it won't really remove the white. Maybe let me tell it to make it a PNG. Okay. I'm using the free version, so I believe actually this is the last version of me. So let me kind of save this again. Okay, I think I have to click on here. I just didn't want to really do an extra work. Okay, so let me try to open it. Okay, they just let me try to open it from here. Uh, all right. So seems actually it won't really be able to make a PNG version of this logo. So I'm going to kind of stick to the original one, this, and I think I'm going to use a biggie remove or something, because you may want to use a different color here in the background. Okay, so let me kind of try to see if that is possible. Okay, uh, so there's a website called remove biggie. It's kind of cool. Let me try it out. Remove background color for an image for free. So let me kind of let me try to drop an image here and I see, test it out. Okay, I think this is the our original logo. So let me see if I can end up with a transparent logo. Okay, if it doesn't work because I'm not a graphical designer, I may just tell a graphical designer to kind of do for me. I think actually it has worked. Wow. Okay, I think this website actually has made it transparent, so I'm not going to really suffer a lot. These guys, you can download 500 by 500. This is free, but if you want a high definition, you have to kind of actually pay. So this is actually okay for me for my site. I think, let me check out the new transparent one. I can't imagine. Okay. So, oops, pop-up is not shared. Okay. So let me check out the transparent one and okay, here I have the transparent one. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I can, I think, put any background color. Let me just do, can we put any what I want? It's kind of cool. Okay. Wow, I love this, guys. I really love this. I really love this. Okay, so I'm going to send it to a client and I'm going to charge him like $60. See you guys in the next video and bye bye.